in this video, I would like to speak about modules. So what does it mean? You have two types of modules. The first is that you can create your own module if you want. Or the second thing, you can use lots of modules which are already installed in Python. So they are already ready for using. So in this video, I would like to show you the main point of module. So it means we will create our own module. So for example, I will create a new module and I will call it, for example, my module.py. Okay, this is my module. And I can store here, for example, the print. Okay, something like hello, I am new module. So you can, whatever is in this file, my module.py, you can import it here and use it. That's the point of modules. So I will import, and what I need to import here? I need to import this, my module. So I just write my module. Okay. If I run this main.py, I will run it, and you can see, hello, I am a new module. How is this possible that we are able to, if we run main.py, and we are able to print this here? So that's the reason why we use modules. Okay, we created the module, and you can see that here in main.py we are able to print hello, I am a new module. So it means that we import this module, this file, to main.py. Usually you don't store here a print, but you can store here, for example, variables. Just for example, first name David, second name SETK, and age 38. So it means you can store here some variables and you can use them in different files. In this case, we will use it in main.py. So I import the module. Okay. If I run it, nothing happened, right? Because there is no print. So we need to print, and you can't do this. First name. Why? Because if you run it, there is a name error and it says name first name is not defined. So it means, like Python said, I don't know what first name means. Why? Because first name is here, right? Because Python doesn't know that the first name is from module. How you will say this first name is from my module? Very easy. My module dot first name, and I will run it, and you can see we printed out David. And with the other variables, it's the same. I can write the second name, I can write age. Okay, run it, David, SETK, CTEC 38. Okay, great. So we are able to store here some logic of our code and import wherever you want. So to main.py, main2.py, and so on and so on. I hope you understand. So in this situation, we are able to store here only variables, but in the next videos, we will speak about functions as well. And lots of modules are created from functions. So after that, we will be able to know anything about functions. We will be able to store something very interesting to our modules. Okay, so be patient, please. I hope now you understand what my module mean. It means you can have here some logic for your code, and you can import it to another files. So that's the module.